piece. Bang, bang, leave you sleep. Tick, tick, boom. Hard body, and not scaring nobody. You make me resort to wildin'. You must be blind by the diamond side. No need to be this way, bitch. I won't need to try this, so it's no way around it. You the loudest one, it's gonna be quiet. We be disturbing the peace. Working, we serving the streets. About to go, ain't going beast. Bang, bang, leave you sleep. Tick, tick, boom.
You can't stop me, so who gon' stop me? You can't stop me, so who gon' stop me? You can't stop me, so who gon' stop me? You can't stop me, so who gon' stop me?
We be disturbing the peace. Working, we serving the streets. About to go, ain't going beast. Bang, bang, leave you sleep. Tick, tick, boom.
Let's learn Tick Tick Boom. It's choreographed by Brandon Zahorsky. It is a 32 count 4-wall high improver level line dance. It has 2 tags that happen multiple times throughout the dance. Tag 1 is your shake it tag. It's going to happen on walls 2 and 4 after 16 counts, and then on the end of wall 6. Tag 2 is your tick tick boom tag. It's going to happen before you start the dance on wall 1. You will do it after tag 1 on wall 2. You'll then do it again after 28 counts on wall 5, and then we'll do it on wall 7 when we end the dance with our step change. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. We'll then talk about what each tag is, where it happens, so that when we go all the way around and do the entire rotation of the dance, you know how it all happens and where it happens, so that you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Tick Tick Boom. Your weight's gonna start on your left foot. We're gonna stomp our right foot to the right side and you're gonna hold. We're now going to do a left sailor step, left back, right out, left out. We're now gonna repeat that, stomp our right foot to the right side and hold, and you're going to do a left sailor step, left back, right out, left out. So let's try that with some counts, stomping our right foot to the side. 1, hold 2, 3 and 4, 5, hold 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, we're gonna cross our right behind our left. You're gonna make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock. We're now gonna step forward with our right and do a quarter pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 6 o'clock. We're now gonna do a cross point. We're gonna take our right foot, cross it over our left, slightly stepping forward, point your left toe to the left side. We're now gonna step forward with our left and touch our right toe next to our left. And you'll still be facing 6 o'clock. Let's try that with some counts. Crossing behind, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're gonna step back with our right foot and you're gonna hit your left knee up, and if you would like to, you can slap the inside of your left leg with your right hand. You're now gonna step back with your left and hit your right knee up, and you can slap the inside of your right knee with your left hand. We're now going to do a right coaster step, stepping our right foot back, left together, right forward, and we're going to do a left shuffle forward, step left forward, right together, left forward. Let's try that with some counts, stepping back and hitching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're gonna rock forward with our right foot, recover onto our left, and we're gonna make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping our right foot to the right side and crossing your left over your right. You're now facing 9 o'clock. We're gonna take our right toe, we're gonna touch it slightly forward, and you're gonna bump your hip right, left, and then you're gonna step your right foot next to your left, and you can slightly bump your hip to the right. We're now going to do the same thing to the left. So you're gonna take your left toe, slightly touch it forward, bump your hip left, right, and then you're gonna step your left foot next to your right, and you can slightly bump that hip to the left. end of dance, and you want to make sure your weight is on your left foot to start the next wall. So let's try that with some counts. We're rocking forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. And that is the end of the dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do a one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're stomping to the right. Stomp, hold left, sailor step. Stomp, hold left, sailor step. Behind, quarter step, quarter pivot, cross, point, forward, touch, back, hitch, right, coaster, step left, shuffle forward, rock, recover, quarter, cross, touch and bump, weights on your left foot. Let's try it with some counts. Stomping to the right, 1, hold 2, 3 and 4, 5, hold 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's learn what both tags are before we go around and talk about where they happen. Let's start with tag 1, which is your shake it tag. You're going to hop out with your right and your left. So you're going to hop out, right, left, and then you're going to bump your hips. Bump, 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 bump. How you shake your hips is up to you. Do whatever you would like. Just make sure your weight ends on your left foot. You're now going to hop back, right, left, and you're going to shake your hips. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. You're now going to quickly hop your right foot to the right side and place your left heel into the diagonal. Your body is going to be facing the left forward diagonal, and you're going to shimmy, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. We're now going to do the same thing, quickly stepping our left foot to the left side and putting your right heel into the right diagonal, and you're going to shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. And that is the whole tag. So let's try it with some counts. We're hopping forward. It's and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you would either go into the next tag or you would start the dance all over again. Now let's talk about tag 2. Tag 2 is your tick, tick, boom tag. You're going to do your tick, tick, boom tag. You're going to bring your left arm up parallel to the floor with a fist. Your elbow is going to be pointed to the left. You're now going to take your right hand pointed up to the sky, palm facing to the left, and your right elbow is going to be close to your left fist. We're now going to go tick, tick, boom. So you're going to slowly bring this right hand down towards your left arm. So you're going to go tick, tick. You're going to make a fist with your right, and you're going to do boom, which is bringing both elbows apart like you're doing an explosion. So let's try it with some counts. You're going to bring that elbows and then your hand pointed up. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is the tag 2. So now let's talk about where they all happen. Your dance is going to start with your tick, tick, boom tag. So you will be facing the front. Before you even start, you're going to do your tick, tick, boom. And then you will do the full 32 counts of wall 1. You'll then come to wall 2. You're going to dance 16 counts of wall 2. So we're going to do our stomp and sailor. Stomp, hold, sailor, step, stomp, hold, sailor, step, behind, quarter, step, quarter pivot, cross, point, step, touch. At this point, you're going to add tag 1 and tag 2 on. So we're going to hop and shake it, and hop, shake it, shake it, shake it, and back. Shake it, shake it, shake it to the left. Shake it, shake it, shake it to the right. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Now you're going to step down with that right foot, and you're going to do your tick, tick, boom tag. You will then dance wall 3 all the way through, putting you to the front wall. When we get to wall 4, which is your front facing wall, you're going to dance that 16 counts again, which will put you to 6 o'clock, and you're going to add your shake it tag again, and hop, shake it, shake it, shake it, and back, shake it, shake it, shake it, step, heel, shake it, shake it, shake it, step, heel, shake it, shake it, shake it, and then you're going to start the dance over again. On wall 5, you are going to dance 28 counts of the dance, and you're going to add your tick, tick, boom tag on. So let's dance that 28 count. You're stomp and sailoring. Stomp, hold, sailor step, stomp, hold, sailor step, behind, quarter step, quarter pivot, cross point, step, touch, back hitch, coaster step, and your shuffle forward, rock, recover, quarter turn to the cross, and now right here, you're going to step your right foot to the side, you're gonna do your tick, tick, boom tag, tick, tick, boom. Now, this is wall 6. Yeah. Now, this is wall 6. You are going to dance the full 32 counts of wall 6, which will put you to the front, and then you're going to do your shake it tag and hop, shake it, and back, shake it, and heel, shake it, and heel, shake it. Now, wall 7 is our final wall of the dance. You are going to dance 24 counts of the dance, and then we're going to do a step change. That 24 counts is going to put you to the back wall. So you're going to stomp and sailor, stomp, hold, sailor, step, stomp, hold, sailor, step, behind, quarter step, quarter pivot, cross point, step, touch. Right here, we are going to do a step change. We're going to rock forward with our right foot and recover on your left. And instead of doing a quarter turn, you're going to do a half turn. So we're going to go rock, recover, half, and then you're going to step your left foot to the side and you're going to end with tick, tick, boom. And that is the whole dance. Okay, so now let's go around. We're going to dance all of the walls so that you know where it happens. So when we're doing it on the dance floor, you are good to go. We're starting with wall 1, which starts with your tick, tick, boom. Tick, tick, boom, stomp and sailor. Stomp, hold, sailor, step, stomp, hold, sailor, step. Behind, quarter step, quarter pivot, cross point, step, touch, back hitch, coaster step, shuffle forward, rock, recover, quarter turn with your cross, touch and bump. Now you're dancing 16 counts, 1, hold 2, 3 and 4, 5, hold 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, add your shake it tag and hop, shake it and back, shake it, step, heel, shake it, step, heel, shake it, do your tick, tick, boom, tick, tick, boom, 32 counts, 1, hold 2, 3 and 4, 5, hold 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 16 counts, stomp, hold, sailor, step, stomp, hold, sailor, step, behind, quarter step, quarter pivot, cross point, step, touch. Now you're shaking it and hop. Shake it, and back. Shake it, and heel. Shake it, and heel. Shake it. You're now going to dance 28 counts. Stomp, hold, sailor, step. Stomp, hold, sailor, step. Behind, quarter step, quarter pivot, cross point. Step, touch, back hitch, coaster, shuffle forward. Rock, recover, quarter turn with your cross. Now you're going to step to the side, do your tick, tick, boom, 32 counts. 1, hold 2, 3 and 4, 5, hold 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. You're now going to add your shake it tag on and hop. Shake it and back. Shake it and heel. Shake it and heel. Shake it. Now this is our last wall. You're going to dance the 24 counts with your step change. Stomp, hold, sailor, step. Stomp, hold, sailor, step. Behind, quarter step, quarter pivot, cross point. Step, touch, back hitch, coaster step with your shuffle. Rock, recover, half. Step to the side, do your tick, tick, boom, tick, tick, boom. And that is the whole dance. Some musical cues, especially for the shake it tag. On wall 2 and 4, when you are restarting the dance, the whole time the music is going to be saying, I'm getting rowdy, rowdy, I'm getting rowdy, rowdy. So that's your cue that those are the restart walls with the shake it tag. Every single time it's saying getting rowdy, you're going to do that shake it tag. And I hope that helps with some musical cues in it. I hope this helps you learn tick, tick, boom. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.